Hey guys, what's up? It's me Latisha and welcome back to my channel. Up and it's 11:30 right now. So today's video is actually going to be a random vlog. And guess what? I'm visiting IKEA today. I wanted to since a very long time, and I'm finally going today with one of my friends. And I'll just show the IKEA, I'll show the whole IKEA, and yeah, it will just be a fun day. I'll just vlog. It's going to be a random vlog. So let's go and have breakfast, and then I'll see you after getting ready. So guys, I told you that I'll meet you after getting ready, and here I am all set to go. So guys, we are finally at IKEA and we're just about to go inside, and I'm super excited. Let's go in and let's check it out. Guys, we are finally here and the parking lot is very huge. It's bigger than the mall ka parking. Wait, I'll show you how it looks. Say hi. Very huge, and we are just about to go inside and it's going to be super fun. Guys, we thought there wouldn't be any line or something, but the line here is very huge and it's crazy. See this guys, people are going crazy over here. It's so huge. Guys, I guess we also will have to go and stay in that line for I don't know another 1 hour. It's so much speed here. So much rush. This is freaking huge. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's freaking huge and the line here is super big. We're just waiting to get inside. Please look at the line. It's so huge. I don't know if you people can see it, but it's long, and that's where we are going to enter. We are finally in. We finally got in, and we are almost here. We are just now going upstairs, and I'll show you the whole icon. It's just so pretty. It is pretty, right? So yeah, we are just excited to go inside. We just reached here and I got to know that Asma haven't had anything, so we're about to go upstairs and we're just going to have food because she didn't eat anything. Okay, I can't see you guys. We are finally in the cafeteria and now we have something. Wait, let me show you the cafeteria. It's nice. This is how the cafeteria looks. So guys, we are finally about to eat our food and then we'll go shop or we'll go around actually. I'll give you guys a tour. Just look at the view where we are sitting. It's so pretty. The cafeteria is very nice. This is how it looks. That's the view guys. And with our food and now we are going to shop. We are going to visit everything, so let's go and check that out. I love how they have as an outlet rakha for this whole, you can see how it would look after decorating. Wait, I'll show you that how it will look. This is how they have done this and they have set it up everything and they have shown how it will look after decorating your house. It's pretty. Guys, we're finally in the lights section. I personally wanted to visit this because the lights here are just absolutely beautiful. Wait, I'll show you the whole thing. How does it look? And you guys can see on my specs as well. There's this vanity mirror. Wait, I'll show you guys. This is how it looks. That's the vanity mirror guys. This is the light section. And it is super crowded. Super crowded. So we are now entering to the home decor section. Asna, what are you buying?
I'm buying like wall socks and decor stuff and something like cooking related.
Alright, let's go. It's going to be fun. And guys, it's
It's really
so
nice.
big. I'm already tired. I don't want to go or aage because it's huge. This is how the wall clock area looks, and we are going to explore this more. So let's go. We are here, and I am personally liking this watch, that the other one, yeah. And her
My
room's wall.
room color is kind of golden.
So I'm telling her to buy this one, that one, and let's see if she buys. Also, let me know how does it look. So guys, we're finally in my favorite section, and that is mirror section. I just love this area because the mirrors are here are so huge, and those who know me are they know that I'm obsessed with mirror selfies. So I need big mirrors. Let I show you how beautiful they are. Alright, this is my outfit of the day, guys. This is what I'm wearing currently. My new Jordans. And this is how the mirror area looks. It's absolutely pretty. See? So guys, this is it. Now we are done with IKEA. We are just leaving from here, and we are going to Inorbit to meet our one more friend, and then that is it. We'll just sit there and we'll just be there for like 1 hour, and we'll get back to home. So yeah, we were not able to visit the whole IKEA because it's too crowded today, and plus it is huge, so it's tiresome. So we'll surely visit next time. For now, we visited our favorite sections. Yeah, so that is it, guys. If you like, okay, we'll see you there in orbit.